To make 2 citronella candles, you'll need the following: 294.4 grams Cara Wax 4105 Paraffin Rapeseed Blend Container Wax, 25.6 grams Craftovator's Citronella Fragrance Oil, and you'll also need a set of digital weighing scales, a double boiler, a melting pot or jug, 2 wick centering tools, 2 Eco 10 wicks, wick stickers or glue dots, 2 small status jars and lids which you can get from Craftovator, a thermometer, a metal spoon, and a set of nitrile gloves. To prepare your candle jars, adhere your wick base to the center bottom of the jars with your glue dot and secure the wick into the center of your wick centering tool. Give the wick a very gentle pull to ensure it's straight. Next, weigh out 294.4 grams of Cara Wax 4105 wax. With your bottom pan half filled with cold water, sit the melting pot on top of the pan. Melt the wax on low to medium heat. Once the wax reaches 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, transfer it into your jug. When the temperature of liquid wax reaches 75 degrees Celsius, add 25.6 grams of Craftovator Citronella Fragrance Oil and stir for around 90 seconds. When the temperature reaches 68 to 70 degrees Celsius, tap the jug on your work surface a few times to knock out any air bubbles, and pour slowly into your waiting candle glasses. Allow the wax to set fully around 2 to 3 hours. You can then remove the centering tools, being careful not to tug on the wicks. Trim your wick to around 5 millimeters with wick trimmers or scissors. Give your candles around 7 days to cure before lighting and enjoying it. Our small status jars come with lids, so these are perfect to enjoy outdoors. Remember, allow the wax to form a melt pool that reaches as close to the edge of the glass as possible, about 3 to 4 hours the first time you burn it. You'll want to ensure you trim the wick every time you burn your candle. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial from Craftovator. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.